telling me you're broke, you're tired, and you're scared to try something new? But you'll watch a 2-hour Netflix movie where the dog dies and you cry for 3 days. You'll spend $40 on a dinner, post it on Facebook with the fancy filter, and flush it out by morning. But starting something that might actually pay you and give you back your time? Oh no, that's too scary. Honey, scared is at my age when you go to sneeze too hard. But I still show up and I still build my business. You have survived way worse. Just start the dang thing. If you want to know what I started that actually pays me, click the link in my bio before you end up in another Netflix rabbit hole.